Hey, how's everyone doing today? So if you remember a while back, maybe about a month ago, I did a quick video about how Honda is telling you not to drive certain vehicles due to the airbag issue that they had. Well, it seems like another popular manufacturer just kind of joined the ranks with that. The latest car company now to do this is BMW, believe it or not. BMW just announced that it's upgrading its recall of vehicles with the Takata airbags and telling owners now to not drive certain sedans and SUVs until they have been able to take those in to have them fixed. And that's pretty big. This one's not as big as the Honda one. This affects 90,000 sedans and SUVs, but still something to pay attention to. So as far as BMW goes, the models that are affected and the appropriate years are as follows. I'll put them on the screen here. So it's the 2000 to 2006 BMW 3 Series, including the M3. The 2000 to 2003 BMW 5 Series, including the M5. And then the 2000 to 2004 BMW X5. And then it also says that it also covers the BMW 1 Series, X1, X3, X5, and X6 models made in certain years. Now, to know exactly if yours is one of the ones that are affected, if you have one of these cars listed here, BMW is urging owners to check the website out, their recall website, and I'll put it here on the screen. And that way you can check it to see if your particular model and year are affected by it. Like I said, it's important to know just because so far there's been quite a bit of injuries, and they say at least 25 deaths due to this reason. So, and me driving around, I see a lot of these models and year of BMWs still driving, especially the 3 Series. I see them all over the place. So it's definitely good to know. I mean, there's, like I said, almost 100,000 that are affected, what they're saying right now. So, like I said, just go ahead and check out that website. You can also go directly to just the BMW's website, and there will be a recall section there. And it'll be kind of walk you through the steps so you can see if you have a car that's affected. And then if you do, they said you should immediately call the BMW service center so you can get that taken care of and get a free repair done. So, again, I just wanted to share that with you. I know it doesn't involve Honda, but I like to keep everybody informed when there's major recalls like this. So if you haven't heard about it, it's important, especially these safety, something like this with an airbag. And sometimes when you buy cars and they've been around for many years, like some of these have been around 20 years, you don't get the information emailed to you or get a letter sent home since it's been through different owners too. So again, I hope that helps you guys out. If you guys have one of these, definitely I would check it out right away and get that fixed so you have nothing to worry about going forward in the event of an accident. So I appreciate all you guys. I really do. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.